Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer. Tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's open the settings. Here in this left section, we have to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. And then scroll down again to find Status. Now scroll all the way down, and as you can see, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.